In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi K70, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and blue switcher next to use Autofill with Google. As you can see, after that my switcher and all of those features turned grey. That means that Autofill is definitely off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!